Hi,
Hey, y'all.
friends.
So
Okay.
this is McDonald's in Italy.
Italy, yeah. And this we got some ham and cheese, little bites.
They're
like
so
this.
good.
Mm,
They're
Yeah.
great, guys.
they're so good. We got some fries. Sophia got nothing in it. Basically just a patty.
Me, I don't like cheese, and I don't like pickles with
I
my.
got some chicken, tomato, and provolone cheese and bacon, and that's delicious. I gotta tell you.
Mine's delicioso.
Mm.
And then I got a McFlurry with fries.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
It's viral on
Seriously?
It's so good. But let's just try the McFlurry by itself. McFlurry is really good. Not too sweet.
Oh, and I gotta tell you, Italian Coke, wow,
To
the
die
best.
for.
What do I have here? What do I have here? Huh.
Simple.
What?